Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Q&A video. I posted a story on my Instagram asking you guys like what videos do you want to see, and a lot of you commented you want a Q&A video. I thought why not, let's make that. And it's very cold today, so I'm sitting here with my hot water bag, and if you are wondering what happened to my finger, it's just a very silly story. You know that skin around your nail, I was just picking up on that and I just picked too hard, so it started bleeding and there it is. That's all. I posted a story on my Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me all the questions, and I did the same on YouTube. So I have a lot of questions in today's video, so this might be a long one, and I'm actually having cramps right now, and this whole week I wasn't feeling my best, so I just did not have any energy to film this today. Like, I can't just give up on you guys. I promise you guys there will be a video every week, so there will be a video every week. I'm gonna answer all the questions in no particular order. Pehle I'm gonna answer the questions that you guys asked me on YouTube, and then we're gonna move on to the questions on Instagram. Okay, so I have all the questions on my phone, and before we start, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I've been posting every single week, and let's get started. Okay, so the first question that I have, basically this one person asked me 4 questions. I'm gonna answer all of them. First one is how to start a study vlog channel as a beginner. My first and very important tip would be to just start, pick up your phone, pick up your camera and film everything, edit it and post it. It doesn't have to be perfect. My first video was, well, please just don't go and watch it. It's very embarrassing, but I still posted it. Like, at that time I thought it was a great video. It wasn't, but still I posted it, and everybody starts somewhere. So it's very simple. Record a video, film yourself while studying, and just edit it and post it. That's all. Before you post your first video, try to have at least 2 videos filmed already, so that if you ever feel overwhelmed or something, you can take a week off. I actually need to start doing that. The second is filters or apps that can help in better quality for a YouTube channel for Android. Well, as long as I can remember, I've been filming on either an iPhone or a camera, so I'm so sorry, I don't really know much about any filters and stuff, and I've never used filters on my videos. Like, kabhi maybe in some segments I am using a Snapchat filter, but that's it. I don't think you need to use filters in your videos. Tips for a beginner as a blogger, I gave you all the tips. Just start, and also be yourself. Don't try to be somebody else. That will not get you anywhere. And don't do clickbait. It will not get you anywhere. It will just make you untrustworthy. Honestly, your audience will not trust you at all, so don't clickbait. And the last one is how do you edit your videos. Right now I do have a MacBook, so I use Final Cut Pro. I love it, honestly. It is the sole reason I got a MacBook for, and that is how I edit my YouTube videos. But before I had a Mac, I used to have a Dell laptop, and I used to edit in Filmora, which was also very good. So if you have any laptop, MacBook or not, these are the softwares I would recommend. Or if you want to do it on your phone, InShot is a very great software or application, and I think it's available for both Android and iPhone, so InShot is a very good one. Okay, moving on, we have how to stay consistent and do all your work without procrastination. This one is a good one, honestly. Procrastination, first of all, will always be there in some form or another. You can reduce it, definitely you can reduce it. And number one thing that I would tell you is be disciplined. Try to start building habits instead of just relying on motivation. Like, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके daily उस चीज़ को करना start करो, and before you even realize it, it will become a habit. Like, if you're scrolling reels on your phone and you know that you have to do this thing, but you're still scrolling, that's just, in that moment you have to tell yourself that get up, stop scrolling and do the work. You can also follow the 5-second rule, like count till 5 and then get up. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get up. Try that. That works for me in the morning when I'm trying to wake up at 6 a.m. to go to the gym. From which YouTube channel you had studied first and second year? Okay, I don't remember all the channels because kuch teachers were very good, so class notes. And okay, for C++, I think I did it from Apna College ka one shot video. No, I did C from Apna College ka one shot video, and C++ I did from Code Help by Babbar. That is a great channel. I did operating system from Gate Smashers. गेट स्मैशर्स मैंने एक्चुअली काफ़ी सब्जेक्ट्स किए हैं, मुझे बाकी याद नहीं आ रहे हैं, बट यू कैन सर्च लाइक जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोज यू कैन फाइंड ऑन गेट स्मैशर्स, डू इट फ्रॉम दैट इज अ ग्रेट चैनल, आई लव इट. Then somebody asked me what is my favorite subject. I would say Java. I've done C++, I've done C. I've also done Python first year में. अब तो मैं actually भूल गई हूँ काफ़ी. But Java, I really like it. It's a really great language and it's so fun to learn and it is kind of difficult and challenging as well. So I do enjoy it a lot. So I'd say Java. How to study consistent while managing social media. Have designated days for filming and editing. So I try to usually film all of my Instagram content on either a Saturday or a Sunday because उन 2 दिन में मेरी classes नहीं होती हैं, so I have extra time. So Instagram का content I try to film on those days. And about YouTube, if I'm filming a vlog, so it doesn't really take any extra time. I'm just filming my day, so I can do that whenever I want. And if it's a sit-down video like this, I'll take out a chunk of time on any one day of the week and film the video. About editing, I usually edit at night when I'm done with my classes and my studies and everything. So I usually edit at night. Like try to make time. Like if you're in college, you go to classes and you don't really pay attention to like if there's any class जो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आती है फिर तुम उसमें attention pay नहीं करते हो. Try to edit in that. I do that. I usually edit in my classes. I'll just put on my earphones, cover it with my hair and just get all my work done. So that is how I manage my social media. It could be different for you though. Your university is in Chandigarh, so have you seen the beauty of Chandigarh? Like visited famous places there like Elante Mall and Sukhna Lake. I've been to Elante many times. I love the Zara there. Sometimes they have such good clothes. I recently got like 2 joggers and I love them. And yes, I have been to Sukhna Lake. I went with my parents and it was nice. It was very packed that day because I think it was a weekend. Like I think it was Saturday or Sunday, I don't remember, but it was very packed. But yes, I have visited both of those places. Next is share your vision board of 2024. Tell us what you have achieved. Okay, I did make a physical one, but वो actually मेरा घर पे रह गया था, so I have the digital version of it. This is my vision board and I had a lot of stuff on it, like a lot. I have a picture of a girl working out over here. I have gym shoes, dumbbells over here. So this was one of my major goals, to work out consistently. I have body goals. Don't come for me. I know it's good to work out and everything for just the health benefits, but yes, I do have body goals. And if you have been watching my videos, you know I have struggled with being consistent with my gym for a long while, but I finally have my routine down. And for the last 2 weeks, like 5 times a week, I've been going to the gym. I've been eating good, I've been drinking water, I've been taking my vitamins. So I would say that actually happened, even though it took the whole year and it happened in December, but it did happen and I'm finally consistent and I'm very happy with it. Then I had a lot of I had some money goals, I would say. I have like a picture of a girl with like money in her hand and it says success. Then I have this called manifesting. So I'm not gonna go too much detail in that one, but I would say that that did happen. So I guess I also achieved that. Then I have this here which says good skin, good grades and everything. So I got really good grades in my last semester and my skin has been doing so good. I've been taking care of it. So I would say that also came true. What did not come true is this over here. I have a YouTube 100k plaque, a silver button over here. That one did not come true, unfortunately, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it for next year. It's gonna come true in 2025. I have a feeling. I also have one thing here which says wake up early. And if you watch my videos again, you know I've struggled with it, but I finally got it down. I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to the gym. I study. I've been doing everything that I wanted to do for the longest time. I am finally the person that I wanted to be for the longest time. So yeah, that was actually everything on my vision board for 2024. In the same question, there's like tell us like what you want to achieve in 2025. Okay, I want to have 100k of you guys here on YouTube. It would be a very big deal, a huge deal for me to have a community that big, and I always try try to reply to every single one of you, be it in the comments or be it in the Instagram DMs. Yeah, that is one of my goals, to have 100k subscribers in YouTube. And I recently reached 200,000 followers on Instagram. So my goal for next year is actually 500,000. I'm gonna make that happen. I believe in myself. I know I can. So I'm gonna make that happen. I'm just realizing that I have so many big goals for next year. I am gonna get a placement in 2025. I know, yes. I'm gonna get a placement probably in the next semester. And I'm gonna move to Bangalore. I'm gonna have my own apartment. And I'm gonna have a job. So we're gonna do some big girl things next year. And obviously you guys are gonna come along for all of it. So this right now is a very stressful time for me because my finals are literally in like a week and I have a little ST in 3 days. So let me know if you want the study vlog because I can definitely film some because I have 3 major exams coming. Second one is share some college drama. Not right now. Let's just wait a little bit more. The moment I'm out of this college, I'll tell you a lot about the people I met, the friends I had, the friends I no longer have, all the drama that went down. I'll tell you everything. Let me just get a job first because I still see those people every single day. So who knows, maybe they watch my videos. I'll share maybe some other day. Describe yourself in 7 words. 7 words. That's very specific. I am someone who believes in herself. That's 7. I'm somebody who believes in herself. What do you want to do after college is over? Do you like traveling? If so, what are your dream destinations out of India? What are my plans after college? Well, I haven't made any, you know. I just want to get a job first and see where that leads me. But some dream destinations that I have. If you don't know, me and my brother, we're anime junkies. My brother got me into it and I watched a lot of animes. So I really want to go to Japan. That is on like top of my list. I want to go to Japan. I also want to visit Greece, and obviously I want to go to US like New York. I want to see LA, but my top dream destination is definitely Japan. How much is my YouTube income? I've shared this before. I can't really give you a specific number, but the threshold is $100. Like if you don't have $100, you're not gonna get paid. So I'm doing good. I'm just gonna say that I'm doing good. It's not that much money, let me tell you that. It's not that much money yet. Money will flow later. I'm not exactly doing this for that. I just love making these videos. If you're doing it only for the money, trust me, it will not work out for you. If you don't genuinely like filming and editing these videos, you will get burnt out and bored of this, and then one day out of the blue you'll stop doing it. So don't do it for the money only. Is your school friends and best friends still in touch with you? Yes, I am in touch with some of my school friends and I am in touch of my best friend. I think me and her, we've been best friends for like, I don't know how many years exactly, since 9th standard, and I'm currently in my 3rd year of college. I haven't seen her. Like the last time I saw her was in 10th standard, the last board exam, and since then I haven't seen her. She wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to be an engineer, so very different streams. She is in a different city right now and we talk a lot. We're literally sending each other reels like 24/7 and we talk on calls, and one day I'm gonna see her. I just love her so much. She's my best friend in the world. Also, I think I never told you this, but before becoming best friends, we were like sworn enemies. Like we hated each other and then we became best friends. Okay, so I think those were all the YouTube questions. I'm done. Now let's move on to the questions I got on my Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram like if you want to participate in one of these things next time. Okay, so the first question is how tall are you? ये मैंने actually बहुत बार बताया हुआ है. I am 5'7". I think that's a great height for a girl. What is my daily schedule? If I have classes, I will wake up at 6 a.m. I'm so glad that I finally have a routine now. I will wake up at 6 a.m. I will go to the gym by 6:30 or 6:40. I'll work out and then I'll come back, have my breakfast in the mess, come back to my room, and then by that time it'll probably be like 9:30, and then I'll take a shower and I try to start studying or whatever I have to do that day by 10 or 10:30 a.m. max, and then I get started on my studying and I study jitna bhi mera man karta honestly, and then 4 baje I have classes, then I come back at 9:15. So that is my everyday routine. routine. अगर weekend है like Saturday and I don't have classes, I will probably wake up a little later, like 8 or 9 a.m. make a coffee, study, and then शाम को then I go to the gym at like 6 or 6:30. So this is my usual routine. ज़्यादा changes नहीं होते हैं इसमें. So yeah. And also one more thing, like जिस पे दिन मैं जल्दी उठती हूँ ना like 6 a.m. I feel so good about myself. I feel like I've actually accomplished something already. So my day just becomes much better. So discipline has really helped me. Team discipline all the way. Which mic do you use to record? So for my YouTube videos, I have a mic that is attached to my camera. I got it जब मैंने camera लिया था. It's from Rode and I really love it. And when I am filming on my phone or something, I have this little mic which is from the brand called Digitech. I got it from Amazon. दोनों ही mic I got it from Amazon. If you want, I can link them down for you. I'll try to find them. I think Digitech वाला तो I will find easily. Rode वाला I might not. Let me know if you want the links. Then the question that is there in every Q&A: are you in a relationship? The answer is gonna be the same this time too. No, I'm not, and I have a reason why I'm not. Currently, I do not have time for another person in my life because I am really busy in studying, in filming my videos for YouTube and editing them, for filming for Instagram, editing them, posting them. I am swamped in work and studying right now, and I have to try harder actually. So I just cannot let my brain go there, because if God forbid they hurt me, everything is gonna go down the drain. So no, not right now. So what all personality traits have made you what you are today? This is a very nice question. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं करूँगी, I promise. I think I try to be very kind to people. Kindness is a trait that I really love. I try to be very kind to people. I try to be nice to them. Like even if you did something to hurt me, I mean if it's really bad, then like obviously not. But if you have done something to upset me or hurt me and you just come to me and you talk to me, I will talk to you. Trust me, I will not hold it against you. I will not hold a grudge. I try not to hold any grudges. So I'd say kindness. And recently, discipline. Very important trait. What's my favorite way to spend a Saturday? I'm gonna give you a very boring answer for this question. My ideal day would be to wake up early, make a coffee, have a nice breakfast, and watch a movie. Many movies the entire day, or binge watch a TV show. That is my ideal day. And eat pizza. Somebody asked me my life story. Like I don't think I had very adventurous life. I was born in Meerut, and then my father's in police, so he got posted to a lot of different cities. So we lived for a long time in Bijnor till my 10th standard, and then we moved back to Meerut, and I've lived there ever since. And then I came to college here in Chandigarh. That's basically it. I wouldn't have included this honestly, but a girl commented this. A girl sent me this and she was like, why are you so pretty? First of all, thank you so much. And second, like जब कोई लड़का ऐसे comment करता है ना, you look good, you look cute, I was like okay fine. But like जब कोई लड़की बोलती है ना like oh my god, you look good, you look so pretty, it makes my day. Honestly, girls supporting girls, best thing ever. Like if I look at a girl and I feel like she's very pretty, I will go up to her and I will tell her that you look very pretty, and trust me, it will make her day. This made my day because this was asked or commented by a girl. Next question is how to gain weight or mass. Tips please. Who are you asking, girl? Like who are you asking? Gaining weight is very easy for me. All I have to do is breathe and I will gain weight. Losing weight, however, I'm currently eating in a caloric deficit, and oh my god, how much I miss pizza. I do have cheat days, like week में एक दिन मैं खा लेती हूँ, so fine, but it's not easy to get back to it when you have been eating junk for like every single day for months. If I had to give any tips, what I think might work is, first of all, have a lot of protein in your diet so that you'll build muscle and everything. That is very important. I need to start doing that as well. And I would say have a higher carb content in your food. Yeah, if you're trying to lose weight, have a lower carb content. That might work for you, but honestly, please consider a dietitian. I don't know that much. I only know what has worked for me. Then I guess you're an introvert. Isn't it tough for you to make videos in public? How do you manage? You guessed right. I am an introvert. And when do I film in public? I don't film in public. And when I have to take those shots of myself in my class, you have no idea how hard it is for me. But then I think about my future self, think about how good it will look in the video, that you guys would want to see my class and everything. So I just build up the courage and film. Everybody is busy in their lives, So just do what you want, honestly. Just don't worry about it. From where do you do Java and Java in DSA? So I got a course from Apna college ki website. It's called Sigma, and I've been doing it for a while, and I can assure you that it's a very good course. I love it. It has taught me a lot. I'm obviously not done with it. I'm still doing it, but it's a very good course. So I would suggest getting that. I'm noticing that you have put on some weight. How? Yes, I have put on some weight. Let me just address it. How is very simple. I came to college, I went out with friends a lot and ate a lot of junk. For the last 2 weeks, I have controlled a lot. So I can say that I am successfully back on track. आज actually मैं gym नहीं गई थी morning में because I was having terrible cramps. Benefits of being a girl doesn't mean कि मैं skip कर रही हूँ. मैं शाम को जाऊँगी आज because I only have one class. दूसरी class में वाइवा चल रहा है, मेरा वाइवा हो चुका है, so I don't have to go to that one. So मैं शाम को जाऊँगी आज जिम. Yeah, I've been eating a lot of junk and मैं सुबह नहीं उठ पा रही थी, so I have missed my gym a lot. So that's the reason why I put on weight. This question was very weird, but I wanted to include this because I want to say something to you, girl. First of all, the thing is why my boyfriend likes you more than me. Girl, first off, he's a red flag. Please leave him. Second, if you want, you can send me his ID and I will happily block him for you. I'm a girl's girl through and through. So if you want, you can just send me his ID and I will block him for you. Which college would you choose if not Chitkara? पहली बात तो if it was in my control, IIT नहीं लेती मैं. But if you're asking in like private colleges, if not Chitkara, I would have gone for Manipal University. I was going there, but I would have been so far from my family, so I just didn't go. The sole reason was that Chitkara was not that far away, and मैं अपने घर से पहली बार कहीं बाहर जा रही थी ऐसे like permanent रहने के लिए. So distance played a huge factor. Call or a text person. If I know you, if we're like very good friends or you're my family, I would probably talk to you on call. If I don't know you or if we're just like not that great of a friend or everything, I would prefer text. I am more of a text person, but like with some people, I'm a call person. Does that make sense? I don't know, but that's how I am. DSA or web development, and why? DSA, because I do not like web development at all. I don't know, it's just very complicated to me. There's just a lot of stuff going on in web development. Like you have to do front end, back end, this and that. There's a lot. DSA is, I'm not gonna say DSA is simple. First of all, I kind of like it. I like the challenging part of it. I like the problem solving part of it. I've always liked maths, so I like the problem solving part of it. DSA में it's like you have to do coding. That is like अलग-अलग topics आएंगे करनी पर आपका coding है. In web development there are two aspects: front end, back end. A lot of things you have to learn: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this and that. It's just a little bit complicated for me. I don't like it. Okay, I had this question which said how to gain subscribers on YouTube, and all I wanna say to you, please don't run after the numbers. It will not matter. Work on building a community. Talk to your people, talk to your audience and reply to their question. Be there for them. Numbers will come. Building a community, that's what's important. Just keep posting. Somebody asked me rings from, and ये मुझसे actually किसी ने मेरे DM में भी पूछा था. So I always wear these two rings. I wear this one which has a bow on it, and then this one in my thumb. So this is mine. It's from Tanishq. ये मैंने ली थी like पापा ने दिलाई थी बहुत पहले. ये तो मैं एक्चुअली 9th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड से पहन रही हूँ. एंड दिस वन वाज एक्चुअली माई मॉम्स, बट मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगी थी इन माई थंब. इट फिट्स परफेक्ट and it just looks so good. So I was like, Mama, मुझे अच्छी लग रही है. Mama was like, ले. So yeah, both of these are from Tanishq. Both of them are real gold. I wear them all the time. Actually, all my jewelry is from Tanishq. My earrings are also from Tanishq. I love their jewelry. Somebody asked me my song playlist. I actually filmed a little reel on that, and I think it's already up on my Instagram. I'm posting it tomorrow, which is before this video goes up. So you'll find all my latest obsessions in that video. Meerut meetup when? First of all, like, do you guys actually want me to do a meetup? Like, would you actually come? I don't know, I have a feeling nobody would come. And second is, I don't know how to plan a meetup. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे करते हैं, so I will try to figure it out, I guess. But let me know, like, would you guys actually come? What are you doing for placements? How are you training? It would be helpful if you stay or share, whatever that is. I'm not doing anything specific, actually. The remaining I'd say not even 20 days. Like जितने भी दिन बचे हैं, this month is very important for me. First of all, because I have finals. Second, my college is conducting employability exam in the month of January. I think on 6th of January. The date may vary a little bit, but that test is gonna determine how many students are gonna get placed first. So if I clear that, I might get placed in my next semester. I'm gonna have to study a lot of DSA for it. I still have a lot of topics that I have to cover, and the next 2 weeks are gonna be so hectic for me. Somebody asked for a footwear collection. Okay, so most of my heels are at my home. I do have my shoes here, but most of my heels are at home. So if you want me to film a reel or a short including all my footwear and stuff, just let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can make something. How to stick to a routine. My biggest tip. Number 1, discipline. I've talked about it already, but number 1 is discipline. You have to be hard on yourself. Keep the promise that you make to yourself, otherwise why would you trust yourself? You have to build trust with yourself. Second, think about your future self. So let's say I have to wake up at 6 a.m. and I have to go to the gym. If I wake up at 6 a.m., if I go to the gym, will my future self be happy and proud? Yes. But what if I sleep in and I don't go and waste my day? How will my future self feel? She'll feel upset, she'll feel very bad, and she will feel like that she has disappointed herself. Think about your future self. That will help you a lot. Which one movie or show you can watch any time? I have a good amount of recommendations for you. First one, if you know me, you already know it's gonna be The Vampire Diaries. I've already watched it thrice. I've watched the originals twice and Legacies once. So the entire Vampire Diaries universe or whatever it is. And then I have a new addition, and that is Game of Thrones. अभी मैंने एक ही बार देखी है, but such good series, such good storyline. End में थोड़ा सा they botched it, but it's a very good show. I really liked it. I'm gonna say Game of Thrones, and I'm gonna add an anime here, and that is Attack on Titan. I'm watching it for the second time right now, and it's really good. Like दूसरी बार भी it is really good, and I should have put it as number 1. I just forgot. But Naruto, I would give anything to watch it for the first time again. I love that show. I'm obsessed with it. And lastly, I would say Harry Potter. Love it. I have so many movie and show recommendations that I can make an entire video on it. So let me know if you want that, because अभी मैं इसमें बताने लगूंगी ना तो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. Like recently मैंने इतनी अच्छी movies देखी हैं. Like मैं यही करती हूँ अपने free time में. And that was it. Those were all the questions you guys asked me, and I think I answered a lot of them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions or anything you want to ask me, you can leave it down in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will reply, I promise. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.